Welcome back into the workshop. Yes, indeed. Just been sitting down, having a cup of tea and watching a couple of videos from one of my favourite channels, Alex Steele. And I come away feeling totally inadequate. Holy moly, when you see what some of those people are doing, it's like, yikes. And here I am complaining and whinging and still making mistakes, simply trying to put dowels in the right place in my panels. It's like, geez, how basic can you get and still go and screw it up? Anyway, what happened was I made a previous video saying how good the approach is that I've got that allows me to use spacers in conjunction with my drill guides to make all of the holes in these panels. So, and yes, that is quite true. It's a good idea. So I proceeded to do the first the first panel, and then I inserted in the proxies for those shelves, and it works very, very well. Then I went to use the drill guide to make the holes for the shelf pin supports or shelf support pins. And even though you probably be hard pushed to see it, because it actually blended in quite well, there are a couple of 6mm dowels placed in there. Now, this, if you've seen the previous video, I'm replicating what was in the previous video. So, sorry about that. But I've plugged those holes, and I'm going to re-drill it with the new, or actually the old, spacer. And I'd made the video saying that you've got to be careful that you don't overlook some of the finer points or the small points that weren't actually considered when you made the design choices. And in this case, I'm referring to the offset of the pin for the shelf support. It turned out that it was about 2mm in the wrong position to allow my center shelf, anyway, you'll get the idea, that I wanted this dead center. Turned out with the offset not being correct, I moved the what would you call it? I moved the guide up 2mm to make that work. Worked it out mathematically, held it, and of course when I went to test it, it was out by 8mm. The space here was 61, and this space here was 69. And I thought, that can't. Anyway, let's just say that I was a bit puzzled. Did I move it in the wrong direction? Well, seems to be that's true. But anyway, long story short, I realised also that, I'll go pick that up, shall I? Otherwise I will lose it. I'm going to lose it all right. But when you put the pins in place, or the shelf on the pins, you've also got to allow for the thickness of the pin for the gap for your whatever you're putting in here to get in. And I go, oh no, another thing I hadn't considered. So, long story short, I thought, right, to heck with it. Luckily, I hadn't done all the holes. Or just go, well, it is what it is. So luckily, I decided, let's just go glue in a dowel there, and now I can re-drill it. So, yeah, it was just these wee things, and that's why I was having the laugh to myself when I'd been watching the videos, and I'm going, the extent those people have gone to for some of their products, or not products, but some of the items that they've made is phenomenal. And here's me for a lowly bit of cabinetry with a simple dowel, still screwing it up. So yeah, it makes you want to give up, but of course that's never going to happen. So now I can put my drill guide back in place, reposition with the new position, and drill the holes, check the pins that they are in the right. Oh, that's actually a good way of testing it, just like that. That's just by way of having a look. I can actually put the pins in the actual guides. Well, blow me down. Isn't that easy? Hang on. I'm going to get another bit that I just... where have I put the bit that I was about to throw out? Oh, haven't thrown it out yet. So there's my proxy for the shelf on the pins. Why didn't I think of this before? And now the space was 61 is now 6. Tell you what, I'll put some eyeballs on, It is now 63. Yeah, well, that makes sense. And 67, which is correct, it's okay. I decided that having a little bit of an extra space is a good thing. But from there, yeah, see now, the distance there, 63, underneath the pin, 63. Even though the shelf is that little bit out of, it's not equal spacings of between the pin and that is just by a lucky coincidence. So it means I've got a little bit more wriggle room than I once had. The other thing is I can possibly use 16mm shelf in this position, give me a little bit more physical space there, which would make it look a little bit more even. Don't think that's going to be a problem. But yeah, no, I should have done that earlier, putting the pins like I've got there. I will in the future do that. So, yippee. As it turns out, coincidentally, as an outcome of making all these mistakes, the shelf is in a better position for those sorts of storage containers that I've got there. Be that it's not exactly in the middle as it was in all the drawings I did over the, well, I don't know how many months, just to make this simple little cabinet. And as I say, when I look at some of the others, the working in the machinery area, geez. And I just watched they were making each other gifts, and not an engineer, who's I like watching as well. He's an engineer, don't worry. But he made this fantastic mechanism, which would have been so involved. Yeah, beautiful looking as well. So, and Alec had just made a gear knob, but for a Mini, I think it was a Mini, and just the gear knob, you'd think, oh, that was pretty basic, but the extent that he went to was like, oh, really, really, quite impressive. So, yay. Inheritance Machining, Brandon, there's another guy that I enjoy watching. He does fantastic stuff and gets right down to the last fractions of a fraction of a fraction sort of thing. Quite involved. Blondie Locks, she does really good work. I like, her as well. So there's a whole raft of people that I like watching what they do, not because I want to replicate what they do, but I get encouragement and enjoyment out of what they do. It's a bit like sport, I suppose. I don't watch sport. No, that's not a good example. I'll use sport anyway because I know people that like watching it, but they'll never play that sport, but they get enjoyment and perhaps motivation out of it. Me? Putting dowels in a bit of custom wood. God, I feel so inadequate. Rightio, that's it. Going away. Very happy now. And I'd better stay happy with what we're doing. So, yeah, I'll hook back into it, drill the holes, carry on and get a little bit of progress at last, hopefully, until the next thing I do that I hadn't considered before. Rightio, that's it. See you later now. Bye.